an outage with our Azure tenant with Microsoft that was affecting several of our healthcare customers that we provide services to. It just so happened that when this incident popped, persons who were supposed to be able to support that outage weren't available for whatever reason. It was a combination of somebody who was unexpectedly sick, there was another person who was on PTO that was scheduled, there was, a whole bunch of reasons. But at the end of the day, they didn't have the right resources. And that's when they reached out to me and they said, do you know anything about, this Microsoft support that we need somebody that, we opened up a call with Microsoft because you can do that for any product. And I was like, yeah, we have a contract with US Cloud. Why don't you see if I can ask an engineer to join? So I went on the portal, popped the ticket, critical customer outage. So it was top priority. Within an hour, US Cloud responded with, I want to say 4 engineers within an hour. And it was like they brought, not only did they bring the right guy in persons to the call, but they brought the cavalry. It was great because we needed that diversity because it was a unique problem in the end, and the root cause comes out. It's like it was a combination of like a firewall rule change on a load balancer that sat in the cloud combined with some ACLs over here, and in order to get to that, you needed a couple of different opinions and subject matter experts, and they got to it. They remediated it. The service was up, and I just felt like, wow, that was amazing. That was unlike anything I had experienced with Microsoft in my 8 years of being with Premier. So that's like, we made the right choice. I knew right away. That was only, by the way, that was like last month. I've actually talked to some of your prospective customers on behalf of US Cloud, and I tell them the same thing. I mean, it's their decision to make at the end of the day. And the only things that I can tell them is what my experience was, right? And let them use that as a guide in making their own decision. But the first and foremost and most important one I talk, because that one makes my executives happy, is saves us money. And then, is the quality of service equal or above what I was getting from Microsoft? And the answer is yes. And then the added values are, just things like just insight into helping with projects and health checks and things like that for our services. Those are things that we could also get from Microsoft. The amount of enormous red tape and lead time that it required to get the right people was just exhausting. Whereas US Cloud seems more agile. And if you hit all 3 of those are the 3 things that made a difference for me. And that's how I made the decision. That's all I tell them. And I say, good luck in your decision. I just wish them good luck because that I don't want to go back to Microsoft yet. So in a testimony to that, so we just inked our new renewal with you guys, and instead of doing a 1 year, we committed to 3. So, there's that too.